Siyakhuleka-ke nokujolela-ke uMadlomo noDinhle. Bese kuthi-ke ngapha-ke guys, hayi umthunzi wenza sure manje ukuthi-ke uSamday ubuya njengomuntu engathi usephambanana naye ikhanda. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what is going to happen on e.tv Skinner from the 26th to the 30th of May 2025 on Monday. Mthunzi is alerted to a spy in his midst, which means danger for those he suspects. Gidiboni and Dintle have words while Mdala insists they interview an unlikely candidate on Tuesday. A woman snooping put someone innocent in a dangerous man's crosshair. Mathubela makes her position clear to Hlokhe, who struggled to see a way around it on Wednesday. Vuvu's pursuit of a hidden trail threatened to shatter a carefully constructed reality. A new mother discovers that ancient wisdom may hold the key to her child's well-being on this day. Mthunzi proved to be strategic as he makes move to destabilize the king. Madlomo makes a calculated decision. Vuvu seeks help to find someone on Friday. The sanity of an aging boss is questioned, but is he truly losing his mind, or is someone pulling the strings? White Hlokhe has to reprimand an elder. Well guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.